How to use Canva. Want to design posts, thumbnails, or presentations fast? Let's learn how to use Canva step by step. So first, go ahead and sign up to canva.com. You can sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. Canva works on desktop and mobile. Now, go ahead and choose a design type. Canva has presets for social media, documents, and other types of posts. So you can go ahead and set this as well to your custom size. So you can browse templates. So simply click on this templates button, which should basically find at the left side of your screen, and then pick one that fits your style at time. So for example, I want to create a coloring book. So I'll simply select this design, and then in here you can go ahead and select from here and then click on this customize this template. So you can go ahead and add elements like text, photos, and icons, customize fonts, colors, and layouts, upload your own images or logos. Explore Canva tools. Use background remover, animations, and brand kits for professional results. Save your design, export as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or MP4, and Canva makes design simple, flexible, and beginner friendly. And that is how to use Canva.